Hello, trading is closed on November 25, 2014. I'm Tennant. My last call said unless we had a gap over Monday's high that lower prices should print. Well, we gapped over Monday's high and lower prices printed anyway. There is a target based on the mejt system of 2071.48, most likely to print tomorrow for reasons I will discuss. I think it might fail. Early in the day, the system said this rally was a false move and prices would drop, which they did. It said this drop was a false move and prices would rally, which they did. It gave a buy in the afternoon. The W means it was a weak signal. Here's the target, 2071.48. Remains unfilled. What's wrong with this pattern? Well, this is a daily formation which tends to make higher and higher highs and close near the high of the day. When that fails to happen, it usually has negative implications. This makes it 3 days in a row when we had a gap up and couldn't hold on to the gains. What's even worse is that after 3 days with such a promising start, we can't even hold on to the gains of the initial rally. This looks like a stilt to me, and this is probably a diamond. If so, we have a chance for a stilt-like move lower down to the origin of the left stilt. Today completed possibly a sequential sell signal from Tom DeMark, since the last of the 13 bars can complete early. You won't know that for certain until time passes. If you're positive on the market, there still is a chance for the bulls to salvage this consolidation by having a gap over today's high. With the Thanksgiving holiday coming up and the propensity for the market to rally around it, it isn't impossible. But I think we've had 3 days in a row where the initial exuberance led to retracement and disappointment by the close, and usually 3 days is all you get. I would like to see a slight gap up to hit the 2071.48 price first and then get a reversal, but I'm not so certain that's going to happen. Absent a gap up, this is a very negative formation, and I expect to see lower prices absent the gap, and that's today's call.